Well, good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with your SouthernIndianaWeather.com QuickCast. It's Tuesday, and it's the day after Memorial Day. Most of us going back to work today, and we got a little bit of rain to talk about for your Tuesday. Currently here at 6 a.m. at the Southern Indiana Weather Office, it is a very muggy and warm 70 degrees, just a few high clouds in the sky, not too bad. Winds are pretty light out of the southwest, about 3 miles per hour, and the pressure is falling. Take a look at that dew point, though, 64 degrees. That is in the very muggy category on our muggy meter, folks. Don't think it's going to quite reach up to that oppressive category today, but it's just going to be a muggy and humid day, and it looks like we've got several of those coming up for us. Just a very typical summertime pattern, much different than we have experienced in recent weeks with the cooler temperatures. Taking a look at your daily almanac yesterday, Monday and Memorial Day, we made it up to 86 degrees. That was my forecasted high temperature, right on the bullseye this time so far. Our low last night was 68 degrees, and we've warmed up a couple of degrees already, and that will continue on the way. Our video update today is sponsored by Metal Magic in Washington. You can give Chad a call at 698-8555 for all of your paintless dent repair needs, and tell him Southern Indiana Weather sent you. All right, current conditions here at 6 a.m. Across the area, 70 degrees around the Huntingburg Airport as well as the Evansville Regional Airport, 69 up around the Vincennes area, 65 in Bloomington. Even the warm spot there, 73 degrees at Stanford Field in Louisville. You can see it is a very warm and muggy morning pretty much area-wide. Taking a look at Sky Tracker HD satellite and radar. A few high clouds out there right now, but you see some of those clouds to our west moving in. That is due to a low pressure system that is currently situated over in Texas, and you can see it swirling down there. Remember that winds around a low wrap around it counterclockwise, so you can literally see how that low is just spinning up. Now, as those winds wrap counterclockwise, that is going to put a moisture plume just right up towards us. That's going to give us plenty of moisture to work with. That's going to surge those dew points up to us into that very moist category, and that's going to bring rounds of scattered showers and thunderstorms today, tomorrow, the next day. It's just going to seem like it's a never-ending pattern. But this is something that we're going to have to deal with. Allergy forecast today, trees and grasses are in the moderate category, weeds and molds are in the low category, so we're still not out of the woods as far as the pollen count is yet. Here is forecast for today, folks. Partly cloudy skies today, scattered thunderstorms, especially during the afternoon hours. You notice only about a 10% chance here early in the morning time, and then that chance increases as you go throughout the day. It looks like those scattered thunderstorms are going to be intensifying maybe from around 1, 2 o'clock onward during the daytime. Once we get into the heat of the day, it's fair game. A high temperature around 86 degrees today. Taking a look at your Ubalor and Sons plan your day forecast. Everybody gets into the mid 80s today, and everybody gets those scattered thunderstorm chances around the area. For tonight, another muggy and not cold night at all, partly cloudy. A few thunderstorms potentially through the overnight hours as well. It does start to diminish off in those chances after midnight, but we only go down to 69 degrees for your low temperature. Your Smile Center plan your night forecast, looking at your expected low temperatures area wide. Again, you can see everybody is kind of in that muggy summertime pattern where we go down to the mid to upper 60s area wide, 69 in Evansville and to 66 in the Columbus area. And then for Wednesday, it's almost another wash, rinse, repeat kind of a day. Partly cloudy, more scattered thunderstorms around, even a better chance those scattered thunderstorms tomorrow, and a high temperature around 85 degrees. And taking a look at your Du Bois County Bombers extended outlook, there you see it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You've got those rain chances of partly cloudy skies, but yet scattered thunderstorms pretty much each day. Weekend looks pretty good. It looks fairly dry at this point, just partly cloudy skies and temperatures in the low to mid 80s. And then once again, next week on Monday, we begin another round of potentially some more scattered thunderstorm chances. So it's going to be an above normal pattern for rain the way it looks right now. And of course, that's not what farmers want to hear as you're trying to plant your fields. But it's summer, I guess. We'll rather have the rain than to not have the rain. We can put it that way, I suppose. Always a bright side. No one to mow, cut, cast then. Obviously, it's not going to rain all day long, so caution light these next few days. Just dodge the raindrops. Weekend does look dry at this point. Big news, the mobile app is now available on the iPhone platform as well as Google Play under Google Play. Make sure you download it, search for Southern Indiana Weather, and you will be able to get it on your Android device. If you are on an Apple device, Search for Southern Indiana weather, but abbreviate the Indiana with our state abbreviations, Southern IN weather. That's just the way the Apple Store made us upload it because of the limitations on how long the title can be. But it's there for your using pleasure, so download that and enjoy, folks. That is it for this edition of the QuickCast video. We will have another one of these out for you tomorrow morning. Make sure to be sure, to like our Facebook page. Facebook.com/Southern Indiana Weather, and also find us on Twitter at SouthernINWX, and we will keep you up to date this afternoon as those scattered thunderstorms do fire. I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite. Have a great day, folks, and stay safe.